In a world where financial markets can be as unpredictable as they are enticing, the appeal of precious metals, particularly gold, has endured throughout centuries. As investors seek to diversify their portfolios and safeguard their wealth, the question often arises, is gold jewelry a good investment? Hi, I'm Conor Redmond, Chief Actuary and co-founder of BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Let's take an in-depth look at the appeal of gold jewelry as an investment, explore its value, and discuss the various factors that influence gold's worth. Gold has played a pivotal role throughout history as a traditional store of value. The intrinsic qualities of gold, such as scarcity, durability, and malleability, have contributed to its appeal as a precious metal. Unlike other forms of gold, such as coins or bars, gold jewelry represents a harmonious blend of craftsmanship and intrinsic value. When contemplating whether gold jewelry is a good investment, it's important to understand the nature of this precious metal in the context of wealth preservation. Gold prices have fluctuated throughout history due to economic, geopolitical, and market factors. The World Gold Council has documented these trends and found that gold can be a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. To determine if gold jewelry is a good investment, it's important to understand the factors driving gold price movements. The value of gold jewelry is determined by a combination of factors. Here's a breakdown. Purity and carat. The percentage of pure gold in a piece of jewelry measured in carats directly influences its value and durability. Higher carats, such as 24, indicate a higher purity and generally a higher value. Weight and mass. The weight of gold jewelry is another significant factor affecting its value. Investors should prioritize pieces with substantial weight to maximize their potential return. Design and craftsmanship. While gold's intrinsic value is important, the design and craftsmanship of jewelry also plays a role. High-quality craftsmanship, intricate designs, and the inclusion of precious stones can enhance the piece's aesthetic appeal and consequently its value. Gold jewelry's dual nature as both an investment and a form of expression sets it apart from other gold investments like bullion or coins. This unique combination makes gold jewelry a desirable choice for many investors and collectors. Gold jewelry offers several advantages as an investment. Its portability and compact size make it easy to store and transport. Gold can also diversify your investment portfolio, providing a hedge against economic uncertainties. Additionally, gold jewelry combines financial value with aesthetic appeal, making it a valuable asset. It can also be passed down through generations as a family heirloom. However, there are also potential challenges to consider. Selling gold jewelry can be more difficult than other forms of gold investment, and the market price is subject to fluctuations. Gold jewelry is also susceptible to wear and tear, which can affect its value. Before investing in gold jewelry, carefully weigh the pros and cons to determine if it's the right investment for you. When considering gold jewelry as an investment, it's important to compare it to other forms of precious metal investments like gold and silver bars or bullion. Gold jewelry offers a unique combination of investment potential and aesthetic appeal, while gold and silver bullion are primarily valued for their pure metal content. While gold and silver bars may have higher levels of purity, higher quality gold and silver jewelry can still be a valuable asset. The craftsmanship, design, and any additional precious stones incorporated into the jewelry can significantly enhance its value. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your investment goals and preferences. Gold's higher market value makes it an appealing choice for those seeking aesthetic enjoyment and a potentially higher return on investment. Silver jewelry, on the other hand, is often considered more accessible and affordable. Silver's lower market value makes it an entry point for investors looking to diversify their portfolios without committing to gold's higher costs. That said, it's important to note silver's market dynamics may be subject to greater volatility. The choice between investing in gold or silver jewelry depends on individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. Yes, investing in gold jewelry is a good choice. Gold historically preserves value, acts as a hedge against inflation, and combines aesthetic appeal with a tangible asset. Investing in gold jewelry provides a unique mix of aesthetic enjoyment and financial security. Gold is a stable asset, offering a timeless investment that combines fashion and usability with potential long-term gains. When shopping for gold investment jewelry, don't forget to safeguard your assets. BriteCo offers reliable, cost-effective jewelry insurance covering loss, theft, and damage. You'll rest easy knowing your jewelry portfolio is fully protected. Contact us for more information or get your free jewelry insurance quote. Thanks for watching.